Hi, what's up guys? It's William here, back with another video. Today I'm going to go through a software called Komodo. Komodo is a software that can help you record your screen. If you're like a content creator, course creator, or if you need to use video to describe certain steps using video, then this tool it will be for you. Other similar software tools will be Loom or a cloud app. Those are pretty similar features, or I think Komodo has other things that are slightly more advanced. And one of the advantage or the advanced feature that I can see on Komodo is the video editing software. So once you record your video, it will transcribe the text for you, and then you'll get the words here. If you do have any sort of words that are like mispronounced, or there are filler words, duplicated words, you can actually just remove the word and you don't have to deal with the audio wave like down below here, like the traditional way of editing videos. This is pretty similar to what I've previously shown with the Descript software. So once you record a software, it'll transcribe it for you, and then you can make the edits just with the text, just like editing a Word document. So Komodo has the Mac native application, so you can record natively on the desktop client. Also, you can also record it through the Chrome extension that will work on Mac and Windows. I'm not sure for Linux. And I believe on the Chrome extension, there are more features. So on the Mac app, currently there's only ways for you to turn on your camera. So I'm just loading up my camera now, or you can mute your mic, pause the video, and then you can stop recording as well. So let me just turn off my camera if you don't want to see my face. So basically that's the Mac app. So once you record it, I'm going to hit the stop button. Okay, and let's look at the recording that I just did. So now on the Komodo Mac client, this is the local recording. This hasn't been uploaded to their portal yet. And you can see they've already transcribed my video. So let's hear it from the first. Hi, what's up guys? It's William here, back with another video. Today I'm going to go through a software called Komodo. So the transcription is not perfect, so there are some like errors, or my pronunciation is not good. So they can probably start finding like the filler words that I want to remove. So here I think there's one good example. Help you record your screen. If you're like a content creator, course creator. So there are two same words here. So I can, let's say I want to remove this. So I double click and hit, and I can hit right click and then delete. Creator, course creator, or if you need to do, and this sounding good, so I can remove this as well. Right click, delete, here again. Course creator, or if you need to use video, again there's like a lot of incorrect stuff here. So I can, if you need, I'm going to delete this. If you need, right click, delete. So you don't have to mess with the timeline here. Instead, just look at the words and then you can make that change. Really cool. Creator, or if you need to use video to describe certain steps. So that's how the transcription works, making changes to the video itself. So I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to clean up my audio here. Now I'm recording through the Komodo Chrome extension. There's actually a bit more choices when recording through the Chrome extension. It allows me to record by the screen, or by the Windows, or even by the Chrome browser or Microsoft Edge tab. It's a bit more flexible than the Mac app, because on the Mac app, you can only record the entire screen, but you cannot choose like a particular resolution, or just within recording one Windows or one application. So I think there's more advanced features on the Chrome extension. And if we look at the bottom left here, So you can see there are different buttons here. So I can turn on my camera. Let's see if I can see my screen. Yeah, so you can see my screen. I'm recording it through the MacBook webcam, so it's not going to look good. I'll turn it off. And there's a cool feature called blur elements. So if you're recording stuff with maybe some sensitive information, all you have to do is just select a portion of the screen, and then if you start moving around with it, it's going to stay there. So maybe if you are doing like tutorials on like HR stuff or finance stuff, you want to blur out certain information, and this is a really good tool. So all you have to do is just hit the X button to remove that blur option. Other than that, you can cancel the recording, collapse the menu, and that's pretty much it for the Chrome extension. I'm pretty sure the audio quality will be different, so let's see how that sounds like. So now I've recorded the steps on the Chrome extension using the guide. I'm just reviewing what I did. So it looks like they will give you this video recording, and then let's just play it back. Demo. So I'm just playing around with my Creator AI. So I'm going to click again here. So you can see I've made 4 clicks or 5 clicks. So you can see that little blue bar. It's like a marker. And the good thing is they do the transcribe for you. So for example, the first click I said go to app creator.ai. Then I said type test demo in the highlighted field. And then it says click Creator AI, click on cybersecurity, and then every single time you highlight that box and you click on it, it's gonna create like a caption for it. So I can see this is going to be really useful for those who are making like instructions manuals, software manuals, online manuals. This can speed up a lot of your productivity efficiencies. So you don't have to just do the video and then do another Word version or like an online version. It is a pretty cool tool on Komodo, I have to say, for those who are doing like content creation, course creation, and you want to do like step-by-step guide. This is a really good tool that you want to use. Okay, let's talk about the pricing after all the demos. So if you just sign up with the starter plan, you'll get up to 10 videos. There's no limit on the video length, which is good. You get high resolution output. I think it will be hard in 1080p because I'm recording with my 15-inch MacBook Pro. It's already like up to 2800 times 1800, so it will be higher than 1080p. If you pay for this software, it'll be $7 per month per user, and you get unlimited unlimited videos, and you get everything included from the starter plan. If you compare it with other tools like Loom, they have starter plan too, but then it's only allowed 720p uploads and only 5 minutes per video. That's probably not good enough. And I do want to show you that as of today on AppSumo, you can actually get Komodo Tier 1 for just $19. It is just mind-blowing how massive discount they are providing on AppSumo for this software. So what you get from Tier 1 is one single user with unlimited videos, which is already beating out whatever is shown here, right? So if you need to pay this annually, it will be like $80 for 1 year. But then I just need to pay like $19, and I can use this software forever as long as Komodo is still in operation. And if you're a company with other staff that also does like video recording, then you probably want the Tier 2, depending on your company size. So this wraps up the review on Komodo, this screen recording tool. If you found this useful, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel for future videos. I might do another video just on the Black Friday deals on AppSumo. So I will see you in the next video. Take care.